Hello everyone, this is a continuation on resistors and series and parallel. So last time we have talked about the equivalent resistances of resistors connected by series and resistors connected by parallel. So now we want to know what is the special property in series and parallel connections. So in series connected resistors, if we have a current passing through it here at say point A, once it goes through all these individual resistors connected in series, the current in B must be the same. So we say that the current in series connected resistors must be the same. But in this series connected resistors, these individual resistors will experience different voltages or voltage drops. So for example, this first resistor here will experience this amount of voltage drop, and for the next resistor this will have a different amount of voltage drop, and so on. So for series connected resistors, they must have different voltages. Now for parallel, so say we pass in a current here, and this current will flow here, here, and here. So once this current enters we call this a junction, it will be split into three different values of current. So what this resistor the current that this resistor will experience will be different from the initial current. So this may have a current that is big. This resistor may have a current that is small. This resistor may have a current that is of this amount. So currents passing through different resistors in parallel are different. So this has different currents. But once they go back here, once the currents converge back here in this end, it must go back to its original value when it entered. But currents inside these three resistors are different. So that's the property of currents in parallel connected resistors. Now, if their currents are different, their voltages are the same. So this, for example, this resistor will experience say 5 volts. This should also experience 5 volts. This should be 5 volts. So that's the difference between series and parallel connections. So for series, let's recap. Series connected resistors, current must be the same for all three resistors, but voltages experienced by these three resistors are different. For parallel, currents experienced by these three resistors are different, but they experience the same voltage.